Hi Ren! I know we haven't talked that much and we're not really interacting that much. But if you need someone to talk to, if you're having any problems, I am free. You can reach out to me and we can talk it out. Can give you some advice. If kaya ko naman yung mga problems na sinashare mo, I can give you some advice with that. And please, if you please contact any of us kasi andito lang kami for you as your friends who truly love you and support you even though we are not that much any closer na kasi mapapansin ko we don't get to interact with one another na, especially sa chats. And I hope this message na bumalik sa dati na nag-uusap tayo and you get to share things, your problems with me, especially. And I miss you. Sobra. Miss ko kayong lahat. And please, don't take it to heart na parang magiging divided yung group natin. Pero, please, huwag niyong iisipin yung gano'n. Kasi, miss namin kayo. At miss ko rin kayo. Kaya, wag mo kakalimutan rin. Pag may problema ka, kusap mo ako. Madali lang naman ako i-reach out. Hindi nga kayo magtutot sa GC. Ako lang madaldali. So, yun lang. Bye rin. Kaya mo yan. Kung malungkot ah. Bye!
Hi Ren, happiest birthday. I would like to say that happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you Lord for giving you another life, no. And yun nga, another year, another life, no. And I always wish that all of your dreams, your goals, your passion in life na ay matupad, no. And as your friend, I will always be rooting for you here at your back, pushing for you forward to reach the goal that you wanted. I will always root and support you whenever you go, whenever you're around, yun. Kung saan ka mapunta sa lupalop ng mundo, nandito ako para sa iyo. And if you have any problems, ganun, you can always talk to me freely. Kahit wala ka namang pagsabihin nun, like, kung may mga problema kang hindi mo masabi, ganun, you can always open up naman sa akin. It's much very appreciated sa akin. And yun, I will not make this videos very long, no. I just want you to be happy also, and always thank God for giving you another life. And all of the problems you have encountered, I know that may mga reasons yan. And yun lang muna for now. Happy birthday, bye bye.
Eren, I just wanted to say hi and ikaw ang number 1 Mr. Pato para sa amin. At ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo huwag ka magpapagod araw-araw. Dapat enjoyin mo at saka go with the flow lang. And I just wanted to remind you that you're stronger than you think and brighter than you feel right now. Hope you're smiling today. Bye-bye. Let's catch up soon. Bye.
Hello Ren, happy birthday. I miss you so much and I hope you enjoy your day. I wish you all the love, success, and happiness that you deserve. Bye, I love you.
Hi Ren, ikaklutch ko tong video ko sa'yo kasi na-busy kami sa exam, so kasi papanood na namin to sa'yo bukas. Trinay kong kunin yung message nila isa-isa, but like, busy schedule, and then gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thankful ako kasi binigyan tayo ng second chance. Hilig sa second chance. Pero yun, buti na nag-reconcile tayo para at least ngayon mas naiintindihan na natin yung isa, unlike before na super gulo. Pero if ever kailangan mo pa rin kami dyan, kahit na wala kami dyan, one call away lang kami. Tapos naka-DND. Pero yun nga, ayoko kasi na dramatic yung message sa'yo kasi ayoko naman na parang feel mo may mawawala, pero wala naman. Pero yun, ayun, kinat ko kasi alam ko naman na maraming changes sa circle ngayon. Pero, buti na lang. Charing. Pero kung kakalimutan yung mga dati, yung mga alam mong mga pinagsamahan natin, alam ko naman na matatakbo mo pa rin kami sa isa-isa, kahit na parang hindi mo nakakausap individually. Pero kilala mo naman sila. Nandiyan na yung mga yun para sa'yo. Kami rin. Nandito lang para sa'yo. Corny! Pero yun na nga. Alam mo na yan.
Hi, Ren! So, may video greeting kami. Pero hindi ba naman birthday? So, may message na lang ako sa'yo. You're doing well. And I'm really, really proud. And I adore how you've grown as a person. And as a friend, as a family din, syempre. Ano pa ba? And I'm really, really excited for your future din. I know you'll do well kung saan ka man. It may take time to adjust and settle down. Pero kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa, diba? And chat na tayo. Pag kailangan mo na kausap, it doesn't have to be something serious. Yun ang gusto mo lang ng kakulitan or asaran. Asarin natin si Luis pareho. Dito lang kami, Ren. Forever na yun. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Hi, love. Eto. I'm MC. Charot. I just wanted to say na, I always love you and I'm thankful for having you. And, ayun nga, I'm thankful na nakilala kita because you're such a great person. So, ayun lang. I just wanted to say that, good luck on your trip po. Ingat ka palagi kahit nasa ibang bansa ka na. And don't always forget what you come from. Ano daw? Basta yun. Basta ingat ka palagi, love. I love you so much.